Hello and welcome to our PowerPoint tutorial. Today we are learning to visualize information with creative animation in PowerPoint. Let's begin by adding a circle. If you are getting confused with the placement, you can open the guidelines. Next, insert a rectangle just above the half of the circle. Select both the shapes and subtract them to create a semicircle. Change the color if you want to. Now, duplicate the shape. Hold Shift while rotating the duplicated shape. Remove the color fill of the duplicated shape to make it invisible and remove the outline from the both shapes. With both shapes selected, group the shapes by pressing Ctrl plus G. From the selection pane, rename the grouped shape. Let's name it Circle 1. We will spin this by adding the animations. Go to the Animation tab and open the Animation pane first. Then, apply the spin animation to the group shape 3 times. Select all 3 spin animation and then modify the effects. Change the smooth end to 1 second and set the angle to 60 degrees counterclockwise. You can check if the animation is applied properly. Then change the timing of animation to 1 second. The semicircle should not be visible. It must be visible slightly when your information is seen from the side. For that, we will have to create the marks. Just duplicate the purple shape and fill the color with white. The color is not visible here, so let's format the background to light gray. Now, make sure that the white semicircle is at the top of the purple circle. Just to make sure that the white shape had completely covered the purple one, change the outline to the white with the thickness 1 point. Now, rename the white shape as mask. Open the animation pane. We don't require these marks to be animated, so delete it. Now, we will hide the mask so that we can see the shape beneath. After that, duplicate the purple shape and flip it horizontally. Rename it as Circle 2. We don't want these shapes to be visible now. It will appear after Circle 1's initial 3 spins, so we are applying appear animation to them. Move the animation below the third spin of animation of the Circle 1 and make sure the first spin animation of Circle 2 starts with the previous. Now, let's unhide the marks from the selection pane. Let's preview the animation in the slideshow. Here we can see the first 3 spins of Circle 1 and the second circle appears, and then it spins 3 more times. There we get the full circle. However, at the end you can see the white line in the middle. Let's fix it. Select the mask. If you are not sure that it is selected or not, you can double check it from the selection pane and then apply the disappear animation to it. Drag it just below the appear animation and make sure it starts with the previous. View it in the slideshow. After the first 3 spins, you can see that the white marks disappears and also the white lines. Now insert the circle and send it to the back. Fill it with white color and remove the outline of the circle. Again, insert the circle and insert the image inside it. Then insert the connectors and the text. After then, apply the fly in animation to the text. And make sure that it starts with the previous and duration of 50 seconds. Move the animation below the first spin. Do the same with the remaining. You can see here how I have done it. View the result in the slideshow. If you want to make your presentation more polished, then you can add thank you slide. And your information is ready to visualize.